What separates PowerUP Training from other YouTube computer training videos? We add punch to our sessions and coaching that can't be found in simplistic how-to videos. And we're building a complete set of YouTube training for all of Microsoft Office. Much of the free YouTube Microsoft Office training videos are simple step-by-step demonstrations of features, but PowerUP Training adds context and time-proven tricks to coach you to understand how to use the tools to make you better in your career. Hi, this is Les McCarter, and in addition to being a long-time Microsoft certified trainer and a certified Microsoft Office user specialist, I bring almost 10,000 hours of in-person classroom training to you. But more importantly, I've worked in Fortune 1000 companies, regional government agencies, and small businesses. As a Microsoft Office expert, I can share my years of experience to help jumpstart your expertise. I will coach you to be a better communicator and a business problem solver using Microsoft Office tools. Our collection of videos can be combined together to replace online or classroom training from beginner to advanced strategies and techniques. And many of our videos have matching PDF summaries and checklists that can be found on our website at power-up.training. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and be better. Now, let my expertise become your expertise for free. Let's go power up.